Welcome back, guys. So, in the last session, we discussed types of sentences. Now, we are going to discuss phrases and clauses. So, what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that does not make complete sense. It lacks complete thought. So, compared to a sentence where it expresses a complete thought, phrases do not. Now, a phrase may or may not contain a verb, but if it does contain a verb, it is called a verb phrase. So let's look at some examples of phrases. First, we have over the hill, loving and kind, in a park, to bake a cake. All of these do not make sense. They do not express a complete thought. So, they are phrases. What is a clause? A clause is a group of words that includes a subject and a verb. It differs from a phrase since phrases do not include subjects and verbs. With clauses, however, we can categorize them. We have independent clauses and dependent clauses. So let's take a closer look at that. An independent clause expresses a complete thought and it can stand on its own. It does not need the help of other words to complete the idea. However, a dependent clause is the opposite of this. These words do not express a complete thought. It depends on the help of other words to complete the idea. So let's look at this example to help us understand independent clauses and dependent clauses better. The sentence reads, Daddy washed the car after he ate lunch. What is the independent clause and what is the dependent clause in this sentence? Well, if we were to divide the sentence into two parts, we can say, Daddy washed the car. This is an independent clause. These words can stand on its own and it expresses a complete thought. However, after he ate his lunch will be the dependent clause because this group of words cannot stand on its own and it does not express a complete thought. Also, it's important to note that the independent clause contains a subject and a verb. So the subject is daddy and the verb is washed. And that's a wrap, guys. See you all in the next session.